All right, we're going to pick up where we left off here yesterday when we were looking at the numbers of triangles that you might have within the law of sines, especially if you're working with the angle side-side case, better known as the side-side angle case. Uh-oh, I didn't say that. Anyways, let's solve a triangle just to practice once again using the law of sines. First thing I might draw a picture of what's going on here. So I've got a couple of sides of this triangle. Here's one. Not sure what that is. All right, the angle given is 127 degrees. I'm going to draw that as about 127 degrees, like so. Labeling a few things. Let's see, this is 127 degrees. That's angle A. I'm given side B. I'll put that adjacent to because side A is going to be opposite. Okay, so this is going to be side B. That's going to be 42. Side A is the one that's opposite. Now, according to our rules here, A being the opposite side, which case do we have going on here? A is greater than B. The opposite side is greater than the adjacent side. Oh, good. That means we have a triangle, not this option where we didn't have a triangle. Okay, so A is greater than B. I'll go ahead and draw. Use a different color here. And this is roughly 63. That's probably way too long, but that's okay. We got the idea. So 127 degrees here, 42 there, 63 there. Labeling the other parts of this triangle, I'd call this angle B down in this corner, and this is angle C up here, then this would be side C. So those are the things that we're going to need to solve for as we solve this triangle using the law of sines. Okay, here we go. So I know that the sine of 127 is to 63. Now notice that here I put sine on top, which is a little bit different than what I did the first time. Remember, the law of sines works either way. The sines can be on the top or the bottom, doesn't matter. Here's the reason I do that, because I'm going to find the sine of B, angle B, compared to side B, which is 42. Okay, so here is the first proportion that I'm going to solve. Now, when I do this, I'm going to cross multiply and divide like I did before. Pull out the calculator. I take 42 times the sine of 127. 42 sine of 127, close parentheses, hit enter. Now I'm going to divide that by 63. Okay, you with me? Divide by 63, hit enter. 0.532. Now here's the key. 0.532 is not the measure of angle B. Okay, that's what the sine of B is equal to. I'm going to write that in here. The sine of B is equal to about 0.532. Okay, roughly. Now, I don't want that. I want the actual angle B. So to find the missing angle, given the value of sine for that angle, we're going to use arc sine. Okay. Neat way to do that on a calculator is like this. I'm going to leave this here as my answer. I'm going to take the arc sine, or second sine. There we go. Arc sine of the previous answer. Second, and then the negative sign, it's A and S for the previous answer. So we're going to take the arc sine of the previous answer, which is 0.532. Hit enter, and I get 32.17, we'll round it to, okay? That would be the measurement of the angle in degrees. That's the key there. So angle B is approximately 32.17, I believe is what we said, okay? So 32.17 degrees right here. Now to finish off the triangle, I need to figure out C as well. So remember, these two ratios are also going to equal the sine of C over C. Okay. Now, angle C I could find just by subtracting. Okay. I take 180 minus 127 minus 32.17. Will save us a little bit of time here. I think I'm frozen anyway. Oh, am I back? Hello? Okay, we're back. We froze for a moment there. Go figure. Anyways, we're going to save ourselves a little bit of time. C, this angle, I would find by subtracting 180 minus 127 minus 32.07. Angle C is approximately 20.83. Okay. Again, just saving ourselves a little bit of time. So if that's 20.83 degrees, okay, I know that the sine of that 20.83 over side C, which is the last thing I need to figure out, is equal to, and I'll use the proportion I had originally, the sine of 127 divided by 63. Okay. Little cross multiply and divide here. Sine or 63 times sine of 20.83 divided by the sine of 127. Again, you can type that in your calculator. I'll trust you. We're going to save just a little bit of time here. What in the world? So that's going to equal about 28.05. Okay. So side C is about 28.05. So I have side C figured out. I have angle C figured out. I've got angle B figured out. I've got all three things that I needed to solve my triangle using the law of sines. What another great example.